It's time to stop buying breadcrumbs. Hi, and welcome to Occasional Fish. Today we're making breadcrumbs at home in minutes. They taste fresher, save money, and help reduce food waste. And all you need is bread and an oven, unless you want to get fancy and use a food processor. Grab whatever bread you have. I'm using sliced sandwich bread, but crusty loaves work too. That's the best part of homemade. It's fresh and it uses what you have on hand. Cut into medium cubes. Don't worry too much about size, especially if you're using a food processor later. Spread the cubes evenly on a lined baking sheet so they toast properly. If some of your cuts didn't go all the way through, no worries, just pick apart the stuck pieces. Bake at 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 160 degrees Celsius for 25 to 30 minutes, making sure to stir halfway until they're golden and crunchy. Let them cool, then store as cubes or pulse into fine crumbs. Either way, they're ready to go for your recipes. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. What's the first dish you'll use your homemade breadcrumbs in? Until next time, keep it simple, keep it crispy.